Racing just is started. We have Miss Magic Land break weekly to start. Bazooka is on the outside. Down on the inside is Zelacos Magic. Milady's Lane City Girl Paradiso. While Queen Hersey is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Miss Magic Line Bazooka moving up now on the outside. 3 lengths further back in third comes Ilocos Magic. My ladies lane comes next City Girl Paradiso. While Queen Hersey is still running at the tail of the field. Half mile distance they travel to Bazooka. Now takes command by a length and a half. Miss Magic Lane in second. Ilocos Magic is racing in third. Then next on lane is City Girl Milady's Lane. Then down inside is Paradiso, while Queen Hersey is still running at the tail of the field. And at the far turn we have Bazooka by about 2 lengths. And in second is Ilocos Magic, Miss Magic Land, City Girl now in fourth. Then next on line is Milady's Lane Paradiso, and a long way back to Queen Hersey, who's still running at the tail of the field. As they swing for home, we have Bazooka by about 4 lengths. City Girl now in second. Last 100 meters, we have Bazooka. City Girl is on the outside. Bazooka followed by City Girl, and finally Bazooka. City Girl, then comes Milady's Lane, Paradiso, Ilocos Magic, Miss Magic Land, and Queen Hersey.
6532 unofficial.
Sumabog na si Bazooka. Finally sa kanyang maiden.